scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Definite integrals can look scary, but we will solve this fast. We just need to use the additive property to find the missing value. First, let us simplify the given equation by pulling the constant 2 out of the first integral. This makes it easier to see how the different pieces of the function connect. Next, we use the rule that the integral from a to b plus the integral from b to c equals the integral from a to c. This is the key step. Finally, substitute known values into the equation and solve. This simple subtraction leads directly to the final result of -1. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check your steps.